Hi everyone. Now let's talk about color now. Color is the element of art that is produced when light striking an object is reflected back to the eye. Artists, especially painters, utilize their knowledge of color to portray mood, light, depth, and point of view in a work of art. Throughout history, there have been numerous iterations of color theory, which is a set of guidelines for mixing, combining, and manipulating color spectrum. Now let's talk about color. How did this color theory came into existence? In ancient Greek, there was a very famous philosopher, scientist, and you can say one of the greatest intellectual figures of classical antiquity and Western history, whose name was Aristotle. Aristotle developed the first known theory of color, believing it was sent by God from heaven through celestial rays of light. He suggested that all colors came from white and black, or we can say lightness and darkness, and related them to four elements such as water, air, earth, and fire. The famous English physicist and mathematician Isaac Newton began a series of experiments with the sunlight and prism. He passed a white light through the prism where a different spectrum of colors were visible, and then he given the name spectrum, which was seen through the prism. A very famous color theory is also named after him. It's called as the Munsell color system. He gave three attributes to the color, such as hue, which refers to color itself, which is distinct from any other color and represents the name we assign to that color, such as red, orange, magenta, blue, purple. Next attribute was value. Value is the darkness or lightness of a hue. When hues are mixed with a white, the resulting color will have a lighter value called as tints. And when hues are mixed with the black color, it will have a darker value which called as shades. The next attribute is the chroma. The chroma refers to the purity of color. Chroma is related to saturation, with high chroma colors appearing brighter and the low chroma colors appearing duller. Now I will be showing you a demo where I will be mixing all the primary, secondary, and tertiary colors.